This year's theme for World Youth Skills Day, Youth Empowerment through Artificial Intelligence and Digital Skills, comes at a time the World Economic Forum projects that some 83 million jobs may be lost globally by the year 2027. While these figures look grim, some 69 million jobs could be created by the demand for AI-driven technologies, with productivity gains estimated at some $4.8 trillion by the year 2033. But how does the Ghanaian youth gain from this big pie and not rather become a victim of job losses, further worsening unemployment in the country? Dr. Pakofi Teneje is a youth coach and an AI enthusiast.
You can complain and have your reservations about AI, but it has come to stay, all right? And it's going to be fundamental to our existence. So the better you are at it, the easier it's going to be for you. And although AI might not necessarily take away people's jobs, but people who know how to use the AI are going to take away the jobs of those who don't know how to use the AI.
The No Business as Usual Youth Empowerment Center, spearheaded by the SOS Villages, brought together some 60 entrepreneurs to explore how AI is rapidly reshaping industry, education and governance. While some youth dread the threats to jobs, these entrepreneurs are positive AI would rather enhance productivity and reduce their cost of operations.
They all have logos, so instead of paying somebody to design a logo for you, we have AI tools that design the logo at no cost at all, and these are very easy to use. They can also use it to create social media content, schedule post them to advertise their businesses. So they could generate images of their products and advertise them. They don't really need to do much. These AI tools are available to make it easier for them.
As a business owner and also a biochemistry student, it can be very hectic at a time, especially with small businesses where I don't have enough employees under me yet. We were taught some AI tools that can help us post our content even without us logging through our social media handles.
Programs Director for SOS Villages Kumasi location, Bernard Amwako, advocates for an expansive training of Ghanaian youth, especially those in entrepreneurship, to build skills to enable them survive the highly disruptive AI-driven economy.
Yeah, the world is improving very fast, and AI has come to stay with us. It is important that we take advantage of it. So we felt, why don't we support these young people we've been working with for some time now to develop these skills, to utilize it in their businesses and in their daily endeavors. So it's the way the world is moving, and we felt we should support them to go along with the world.
World Youth Skills Day emphasizes the strategic importance of equipping young people with the skills needed for employment, decent work and entrepreneurship. For Star and GH1 News, Ivan Heathcote Fumado, Asokore Mampong.